Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most jaw-dropping revelations of 2025, Rolls-Royce's first ever luxury motorhome. This isn't just a home on wheels, it's a palace that moves. With a legacy of luxury, innovation, and prestige, Rolls-Royce has decided to redefine mobile living and travel like never before. As expected, the British automaker didn't hold back on their signature elegance, quality, and opulence when crafting this masterpiece. It's not just a motorhome, it's a statement of ultra-premium, road travel lifestyle. The design language of the Rolls-Royce Motorhome is unmistakably opulent, borrowing cues from the Phantom and Cullinan series. The sleek, elongated body is sculpted to perfection, showcasing a balance of power and grace. The signature Pantheon grille, spirit of ecstasy, and coach-style rear doors remain at the forefront. However, what really sets this motorhome apart is how seamlessly Rolls-Royce managed to blend its traditional elegance with cutting-edge, modern motorhome architecture. It's not a bulky vehicle, it's art on wheels. The exterior features a two-tone paint job using nanoparticle technology, ensuring not just shine but a long-lasting, self-healing coat that corrects minor scratches and blemishes over time. LED matrix headlights with adaptive intelligence make nighttime driving an experience in itself, while the retractable sunroof panels stretch across the entire roofline, allowing natural light to pour in throughout the day. The extendable awning system is seamlessly integrated, deploying at the touch of a button to provide shade with ambient lighting for an outdoor lounge setup. Step inside, and the interior immediately envelops you in the kind of luxury you'd only expect in a five-star suite. Every surface is wrapped in the highest grade of leather, sustainably sourced and hand-stitched by master craftsmen. The flooring is heated marble and rare timber, with customizable lighting effects that can be controlled by voice or touchscreen. A chandelier crafted from Swarovski crystals floats in the ceiling of the main lounge area, making even the interior lighting a conversation piece. The living area includes plush recliners with massage and cooling functions, a hidden 85-inch OLED TV that retracts into the floor, and a surround sound system designed in partnership with Bang & Olufsen. There's also an onboard AI butler that remembers your preferences and adjusts lighting, temperature, and entertainment accordingly. Voice commands are backed by real-time learning, so the more you use it, the smarter your motorhome becomes. Moving towards the kitchen, Rolls-Royce didn't compromise on utility. It features Miele and Gaggenau appliances, a wine chiller that adapts to road vibration, an induction cooktop with iRecipes, and quartz countertops that resist scratches, stains, and heat. Storage is built into elegant cabinetry with soft close mechanisms and smart organization compartments. The fridge even orders groceries when it senses supplies are running low, syncing with your preferred supermarket. The dining area expands with a push of a button to seat up to 6 people, with a retractable extension system and hidden tableware compartments that reveal Rolls-Royce monogrammed porcelain dishes and sterling silver cutlery. The dining chairs are ergonomically designed with memory foam and temperature control. Mood lighting adjusts automatically based on the meal being served, romantic for dinner, vibrant for brunch, and soft for breakfast. The bedroom is nothing short of breathtaking. A king-size memory cloud bed dominates the room, surrounded by panoramic smart glass windows that tint based on sunlight and privacy needs. There's a retractable partition for additional privacy, and built-in scent diffusers that emulate luxury fragrances based on the time of day. The sheets are 1200 thread count Egyptian cotton, and the headboard features customizable fiber optic constellations, giving you the option to sleep under your favorite star pattern. The bathroom matches the elegance of the rest of the motorhome, equipped with a rainfall shower, Japanese bidet toilet system, and self-cleaning ceramic tiles. There's also a heated mirror with an anti-fog system, a TV embedded in the mirror, and a vanity area with motorized lighting that adjusts for grooming or makeup. Rolls-Royce even integrated a steam room function, turning the entire shower cabin into a spa experience. The motorhome isn't just luxurious, it's intelligent. Powered by a hybrid electric V12 engine that combines performance with eco-conscious travel, it offers 900 horsepower and an impressive 1,100 Nm of torque. Acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour is around 4.5 seconds, unheard of for a vehicle of this size. It runs silently, with a noise cancellation system built into the chassis that neutralizes road noise entirely. You hear nothing but the music or ambiance of your choice. The suspension system adapts to terrain, making every ride as smooth as gliding on glass. It uses satellite-aided transmission, which anticipates upcoming curves or hills and adjusts accordingly. This makes it not just comfortable, but a driver's dream, whether you're maneuvering through mountain passes or gliding along the coastline. There's also an autonomous drive mode, fully level 4, where you can let go of the wheel entirely. Connectivity is seamless, with 6G internet support, satellite TV, smart hub integration for all home devices, and holographic conferencing technology. The motorhome becomes your mobile office, entertainment center, and sanctuary. There's even a drone launch pad at the rear, enabling panoramic drone footage of your journey, controlled via the onboard Rolls-Royce travel app. Security is equally impressive. Fingerprint and retina scanning secure the main doors, while an internal safe room with biometric access offers protection for valuables. There are also 360-degree surveillance cameras, AI threat detection, and remote locking that alerts you via smartphone if any anomaly is detected. If needed, it can notify emergency services and reroute you to safety instantly. Rolls-Royce offers extensive customization options, allowing you to tailor your motorhome with specific themes, materials, and tech. Whether you prefer classic English club styling or a futuristic space-age aesthetic, the team will work with you to make it a reality. Clients are invited to the Rolls-Royce Bespoke Studio for a full sensory experience before finalizing their selections. And let's talk price. The starting cost of this ultra-luxury motorhome is around $3.8 million, but with customization, it can easily exceed $6 million. It's not for everyone, but then again, it was never meant to be. This is a product designed for the elite traveler who values comfort, innovation, and status without compromise. The production is limited, with only 100 units being made in the first year, adding an extra layer of exclusivity. Each one takes nearly 18 months to complete from design to delivery, and Rolls-Royce is offering a white glove delivery service, where the vehicle is delivered anywhere in the world by a specialist who also offers a full walkthrough and setup. Early reviews from the select few who've been granted a test drive have been overwhelmingly positive. Most describe the experience as life-changing, an entirely new category of travel that blends home, luxury hotel, and road trip into one seamless experience. One reviewer even likened it to sailing on land, with every need anticipated. Before it's even felt, Rolls-Royce hasn't just created a motorhome, they've started a movement. A new kind of luxury nomadism is being born, one that doesn't compromise on elegance or performance. This isn't just about getting from point A to B. It's about relishing every mile in between. The road becomes the destination, and the journey itself becomes the luxury. If you're someone who craves adventure but insists on the finest comforts of life, this motorhome might just be your dream come true. It's a celebration of innovation, comfort, and freedom, wrapped in the heritage of one of the most prestigious brands in the world. With the 2025 Rolls-Royce Motorhome, the future of travel is no longer about going places. It's about arriving in style, no matter where you are.